Are we going? Is it actually recording?
Yep.
Good, okay. We are at the scene of the crime here. We've got a big fat tiger snake. It's enjoying the situation around my big fish pond here. It looks like I'm going to have a bit of work to do, putting the rocks back later. So we're trying to get the head.
I'm staying away from the head.
Oh, we're staying away from the head.
The head's buried at the moment.
Ah, the head's buried. Okay, we're trying to pull the body out. He's got the body. It's quite big.
It is huge.
It's huge. Oh my God, we've got a huge tiger snake here. Okay, we've got it on film. There it is. Yep, it wants to go back in the water, no doubt.
That is a good 5-foot tiger snake.
A 5-foot, wow. What are we going to do with this baby?
I'll take it home and may end up using it for displays and training courses.
Wow, how cool is that? Goody. You're going to pay me for this snake, aren't you? Oh, Flash will be so happy that the snake is gone. That is quite a nifty bag you've got there to contain this scared creature in.
There it is, all bagged.
Thank you, Tony. I mean, Darren. Sorry, Darren. And there's Darren. Yeah, there he is, smiling for the camera. The scene of the crime. If you have a big fish pond like this, guys, you can expect some critters to be coming in. Okay.